What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anne, and today's video is going to be super duper exciting because, drum roll please, I'm going to be showing you guys how I plan my semesters, my weeks, my days, so that I can be as productive and as efficient as possible. So if you want to see that, definitely stick around for that video because you will not want to miss it. But if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Anne, and on this channel I post travel vlogs, college vlogs, college tips and tricks and advice videos on how to best survive and thrive in college. So definitely hit that subscribe button and become a part of this family, and also hit the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video, which happens every Friday. With all of that said, let me hop behind the camera so I can show you guys how I do my thing. I'll be using my at a glance calendar as well as my Happy Planner and stickers from the Happy Planner collection. I'll also be using some colored pens, but if you have colored pencils or Sharpies, those will do as well. So I'll be starting with my calendar, and I'll be using different colored pens to write in all of the assignments, quizzes, labs, tests, papers, basically anything that I have due for a specific class, and I'll be writing all of those things in my calendar on the day that I have them coming up for my classes. And basically the last step in the monthly planning process is to throw in some stickers because they make everything so much more colorful and so much more fun. If you know me, I love stickers. Definitely drop a comment down below and let me know where you guys get your stickers from if you use them. And if you don't, definitely check out the Happy Planner sticker collection. So next, I'll be planning the week of the 14th, and this format is typically what I use when planning my academic weeks. So all of my classes and my appointments, I usually write them in blacks and in neutral colors. And all of my assignments are in pink, and all of the YouTube and other tasks that I have to do are in purple. All of the important events that I have coming up, like birthday parties, performances, all of those things, I write them in golds. So the next step in the process for me is to basically plan out my everyday to-do list. And to do this, I use a regular notebook, as you can see, and I do this pretty much every single morning. And the things that go on this list are directly from my calendar and my planner, but they're action items. And what I mean by that is they're things that I can check off when they're done.